Every day we work for someone else, and even though the salary is okay, I feel like we are not building anything for our own future.
I feel the same way, because I want something that belongs to us and gives us freedom, not just a monthly paycheck.
I've been thinking about starting an online business for a long time, because the internet gives so many opportunities if you use it correctly.
The problem is that we don't have a lot of money to invest, so we need something that doesn't require a big budget.
We can save money every month and put it into our project little by little.
If we are serious and disciplined, small money can become something big.
I like the idea of working hard now so we can have more freedom later.
It feels scary, but it also feels exciting.
Fear just means we are doing something important.
Then let's agree that we will try this seriously.
I'm in, because I don't want to look back and regret not trying.
Then it's settled. We will build our first business together.
We should choose something that people really need, not just something that looks good on social media.
That's why online businesses are powerful, because you can reach customers everywhere.
But we also need something that is easy to manage while we are still working full-time.
So it has to be simple, but also profitable.
We should start researching different business models, and we should write everything down and compare.
I already feel more motivated just talking about this.
That's how big changes always begin.
Let's promise to support each other even when things get difficult.
We are a team, not just friends.
A strong team can survive any problem.
This is the start of something new. I looked at my expenses, and if I stop eating outside and reduce some things, I can save a good amount every month.
I'm doing the same, because I realized that small daily spending was stopping me from saving anything.
It's not easy, but if we want a business, we need to treat it seriously.
Sacrifices now mean freedom later.
I keep reminding myself of that.
1. We should open a shared account for the business.
That will make things more organized.
And it will keep us accountable.
I like that we are thinking long-term.
Long-term thinking changes everything.
This already feels like a real project.
Because it is.
We need to be careful not to waste money on things we don't really need.
I agree, because in online business, small costs can grow quickly.
Every dollar we save is a step closer to our goal.
I never thought saving could feel exciting.
When you save for something important, it feels different.
This business is our motivation.
I'm already learning discipline.
Discipline is the base of success.
We are changing already.
And we haven't even started the business yet.
That's how you know it's serious.
Let's keep going.
There are so many online business models, like dropshipping, freelancing, and digital products.
We need something that doesn't require us to keep inventory.
I like the idea of selling digital products, because there is no shipping.
Digital products also have high profit margins.
But we need something people really want.
We should look at problems people have.
Solving problems is how businesses make money.
Let's focus on simple solutions.
Simple sells better.
And simple is easier to manage.
This is starting to make sense.
We are thinking like business owners. We could do online courses, templates, or social media services.
Social media services are in high demand right now.
But competition is also hot.
That means there is money.
We just need to find our angle.
Something that makes us different.
I like brainstorming like this.
Creativity is a business skill.
We will find the right idea.
I believe that.
Me too.
Let's keep exploring. Even though I am excited about this business idea, I sometimes feel worried that we might be taking a big risk with our time and money.
I feel the same fear sometimes, because leaving our comfort zone always makes the future feel uncertain.
That fear is normal, because we are trying to create something new instead of following the same safe routine.
I just don't want us to lose everything we worked hard to save.
We are not gambling because we are planning and learning before we invest.
Smart businesses grow from careful decisions, not from blind risk.
Hearing that makes me feel calmer. Fear doesn't mean we should stop. It just means we should be more careful.
If we respect the process, we reduce the risk a lot.
I'm glad we can talk about these worries openly.
Honest conversations protect friendships and businesses.
That honesty is one of our biggest strengths.
When I imagine our future, I see us working on something that belongs to us instead of working only for someone else.
That vision is what keeps me motivated even when I feel tired after work.
I don't want to look back in 10 years and regret not trying something new.
That regret would be worse than any failure.
Failure teaches you how to succeed.
I'm starting to believe that more.
We are growing just by thinking differently.
This journey is already changing us.
And we haven't even launched the business yet.
That's how powerful commitment is.
When you commit, you become a new person.
I'm ready for that change.
Instead of guessing which idea will work, we should test a small version of our business and see how people react.
That sounds much safer than spending a lot of money without knowing if customers really want our product.
I like that approach because it feels smart and professional, even though we are just starting.
We can build a simple website and see if people are interested in what we offer.
If people click and sign up, it means there is demand.
Data will help us make better decisions.
Real feedback is more valuable than opinions.
This already feels like a real business.
And that makes me excited.
Let's do this step by step.
Slow growth feels safer.
And more sustainable. I can't believe people are actually visiting our page and reading about our idea.
This means our idea is interesting enough to catch attention.
Seeing these numbers makes everything feel real.
It's no longer just a dream.
Now we can improve based on what people do.
This is how successful companies start.
Learning from real customers feels powerful.
We are already entrepreneurs.
I like how that sounds.
Me too.
Let's keep watching and learning.
This is just the beginning.
I just received a notification that someone bought our product, and I can't believe this is actually happening.
Are you serious? Because that means a real person trusted us with their money.
This moment makes all the saving and late nights feel worth it.
It's not a big amount, but emotionally it feels huge.
That one sale proves our idea works.
And that means we can grow.
This changes how I see everything.
I feel so proud of us right now.
Me too, because we didn't give up.
This is only the first step.
But it is the most important one.
I will never forget this moment.
Even though it was a small sale, it feels like a big victory for us.
Small victories are what build strong businesses over time.
This motivates me to keep working even harder.
I feel like we are finally moving forward.
Momentum is everything in business.
We should reinvest what we earn.
That will help us grow faster.
Smart reinvestment creates long-term success.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence changes how we think.
We are becoming real entrepreneurs.
And I love that. Now that we have proof people are willing to pay, we should start thinking seriously about how to get more customers.
We need a clear plan so we don't waste time or money on things that don't bring results.
We can use social media, email marketing, and maybe small ads to reach more people.
I don't want to rush, because fast growth without control can destroy a young business.
Smart growth is better than fast growth.
Data should guide every decision we make.
1. I like how professional this feels now.
We are acting like real business owners.
That mindset is what will separate us from people who quit.
I'm ready to commit even more time.
Me too, because I believe in what we are building.
This is just the beginning of something much bigger.
Sometimes I imagine this business becoming so successful that it supports us full time.
That future is possible if we stay disciplined and keep learning.
I want financial freedom more than anything.
And the freedom to choose how we live.
This business could give us that.
We are on the path now.
Even small steps matter.
Progress is progress.
I'm proud of us.
Me too.
We are doing something brave.
And meaningful. No matter how hard things get, I promise I will not give up on this.
I promise that too, because I believe in us and in our dream.
And I promise to keep improving our systems and technology.
This is our journey.
And our future.
Together.
Always.
I feel emotional.
Me too.
But in a good way.
Because this matters.
It really does.
Now we have tested different ideas, we need to choose the one that has the best chance to grow and make us stable income.
We should choose the one with real demand, and not just the one we like the most.
Numbers and customer feedback should guide this decision.
This is probably the most important choice we have made so far.
I feel nervous, but also excited.
That means we care deeply.
I want us to be proud of this decision in the future.
We will be, if we stay honest and focused.
Let's choose with our minds, not just our emotions.
I agree completely.
This is our future.
Let's choose wisely.
Whatever happens next, I'm grateful that we started this journey together.
This experience has already changed how I see myself and my abilities.
I feel stronger and more confident than I ever did before.
That alone makes this worth it.
But I believe we will succeed.
Me too, because we are working hard and staying smart.
Let's keep going no matter what.
We are just getting started.
This is our story.
And it's gonna be a good one.
Let's make it great.
Together.